right down the street, and with the park and everything, I mean, the kids love it. So, you know, they love coming here, and then obviously when it's really hot out here, there was no water parks around other than NRH2O at the time. So now they have this, and it's amazing for them.
It's really good to have this kind of community and differences. Like you can have, you know, athletic over there, and then the park over here, and then now the kids can enjoy the splash pad. So it's a really good addition.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's free, and the kids can come whenever. It's open all day, and they really like it. When we say we're in the car, they say, "Let's go."
For people that can't get near a pool or anything like that, the next closest thing to getting wet in this hot summer right here in Texas.